Dear students, welcome in English class. Today is third chapter of your book Deep Water. It's written by William Douglas. William Douglas, born 1898 in Mane, Minnesota, after graduating with Bachelor of Art in English and Economics. He spent 2 years teaching in high school Yakima. However, he got tired and this dedicated to pursue a legal career. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became an advisor and friend to the president. Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. He retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remains the longest serving justice in the history of the court. The following excerpt is taken from Of Men and Mountains by William O. Douglas. It reveals how, as a young boy, William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. In this essay, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcome it. Okay, so notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his discussion of fear. मीन्स डगलस जो थे उनको वाटर से बहुत डर लगता था और कैसे वो अपने इस फियर से ओवरकम हुए बाहर आए. इट्स गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर. ओके, द चैप्टर इज एन एग्जैक्ट फॉर फ्रॉम द बुक Men and Mountains. It's written there. The author started fearing water since age of 4. It started when he was visiting California with his father. He visits a beach where a wave knocks him down and sweeps over him. This terrifies the author, although the father laughs at this, knowing it was no danger. Means father was saying it was no danger, but the child become much more fearful. Okay, so let's start the chapter. How the child much more fearful to seeing water. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had dedicated to learn to swim. Means narrator here written himself. It is autobiographical chapter, so given in this way. I was means narrator was then 10 or 11 year old जब ये घटना घटी थी उस समय. I had decided to learn to swim. इन्होंने निश्चय किया कि स्विमिंग सीखेंगे. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. पास में ही एक रिवर भी थी, YMCA याकिमा रिवर, जिसमें उनको एग्जैक्टली अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. द याकिमा रिवर वॉज ट्रेचरस, बहुत ही घातक थी वो. मदर कॉन्टिन्यूअली वॉर्नड अगेंस्ट इट एंड केप्ट फ्रेश इन माई माइंड द डिटेल ऑफ ईच ड्राइंग इन द रिवर. उन्होंने बताया था कि रिवर कितनी घातक है और उससे बहुत बच के रहना है. एवरीथिंग मदर हैड टोल्ड हिम. बट द YMCA पूल वॉज सेफ. इट वॉज ओनली 2 or 3 feet डीप. वो जो पूल बना हुआ था बहुत ठीक था, ज़्यादा गहरा नहीं था. एट द सैलो एंड एंड वाइल इट वॉज 9 feet डीप एट द अदर. और अन्य जो थे प्लेसमेंट 9 feet गहरे थे. ओके, द ड्रॉप वॉज ग्रेजुअल. आई गॉट ए पेयर ऑफ वाटर विंग्स एंड वेंट टू द पूल. एक जोड़ा वाटर विंग्स लिया जिसकी सहायता से लोग स्विमिंग करते हैं और वो पूल में चले गए अंदर स्विमिंग के लिए. आई हेटेड टू वॉक but students, in this picture given the Yakima river's location. It's river tributary Columbia River, ईस्टर्न वाशिंगटन USA में है. द स्टेट नेम आफ्टर इंडिजिनियस याकिमा पीपल, दे हैव केप्ट द नेम ऑफ दैट. तो इस लोकेशन पे है ये याकिमा. He went into the river with a pair of wings, snagged into it, and saw skinny legs, but subdued his pride and did it. Okay. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old and father took me to the beach in California. नरेटर जब 2-3 साल के थे तभी उनके फादर उनको कैलिफोर्निया बीच पे ले गए नरेटर के. ओके, मीन्स वो डर गए थे. बट दैट टाइम he stood together in the surf. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down. और लहर आई और नरेटर वहाँ पे गिर गया ज़मीन पे. स्वेप्ट ओवर हिम, और लहर उनके ऊपर से होके गुजरी. I was buried in water, my breath was gone. Means narrator here expresses about the experience and condition when he was into the waves. I was frightened, father laughed. Means narrator was fighting with waves, but his father laughed. But there was terror in my heart, and उनके मन में टेरर बैठ गया था. At the overpowering force of the waves. इस तरह से बहुत फोर्स था जो वेव्स का, वो बहुत तेज़ था क्योंकि लहरें बहुत तेज़ होती हैं और नरेटर बिल्कुल डर गए थे. ओके, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. स्टूडेंट्स रीड लाइन टू लाइन द चैप्टर and next remaining I will take next day. Okay, thank you class.